Hello, Jane Cleland here. How much research should I do before I begin writing? Well, the first consideration is what you're writing. If you're working on a science-based nonfiction book, the answer is a lot. If you're working in fiction, I think the proper metric is credibility, plausibility. I wouldn't worry about accuracy. This is important because research is irresistible for some of us. I love research. So I actually have a rule that I only allow myself to do enough research to answer the question that started me off. I don't need to learn everything about the topic. I don't need to get distracted by the tangents that the research has led me to. Now, a notable exception would be is if you're writing a book about a forensic expert, well, then you have to get the forensics right. But for example, in traditional mysteries, where my gal, in my case, Josie Prescott, is an antique stealer, she's not a forensics expert. I don't need to have that level of accuracy. I have her need to know to use a tissue or a glove to pick up the teacup if it's going to be tested for fingerprints. But that's it. That's plausible. I often have to tell my students, writers, step away from the truth because it is appealing to delve into the nuance of detail and the subtle distinctions to get it just right. But in most cases, for most of us writing fiction, plausibility is probably the appropriate metric. I know you can do it. Did this tip have value for you? If so, would you please like it, share it? Would you comment on it? Would you subscribe to the channel? That opens up features that allow us to make these videos even more valuable for you. Thank you.